Fast, I am the downhill king, destined to race to the end. My engine screaming as I crash and burn, born to fail and never learn. I pulled the move, you've seen it before. You chose to ignore it all. I know what I want, and you know that I'm born. Down from the mountain, down to the dark, my dying soul, rise from the heart. My years of starlight, my days of rain, I see the flashing inside my brain. Down from the mountain. Bone-crushing words, you will mark my return, licking my wounds in the wind, dragging my questions to nevermore, somewhere in time. Down from the mountain, up near the top, over again, come to descend. Down from the mountain, up near the top, to see if you will still pretend. Down from the mountain.